What we need to do in case of multiplication, we need to first find out whether the numerator and the denominator can be divided with a single number. For example, here in this,
Ma'am,
Amata, just a second.
we can
Wait, let me finish, then you can tell me. First, let me finish. Whether we can divide 10 and 10, or we can divide 4 and 12. Again, whether we can divide 10 and 12, or we can divide 4 or 10. First, we need to find out this one. Next, we can do the division. Third step is do the multiplication. We will never multiply the numerator and denominator. We will always multiply the numerator with the numerator and the denominator with the denominator. Is it clear to everyone? First tell me this thing. Omoto, is it clear to you?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
it is clear to ma'am.
Yes, Ashmita?
Ma'am, we have to multiply the numerator to the numerator only.
Yes, we have to multiply the numerator with the numerator and the denominator with the denominator. Is it clear, Ashmita?
Ma'am,
Yes,
we can multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator.
Yes. We can only multiply numerator and numerator and denominator. Is it clear to everyone? The two steps that I have discussed, first we need to find out whether we can divide, and the next step we need to find out whether we can multiply. Is it clear to everyone? Abhishekta, is
yes,
it
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It is clear to.
Ma'am, after multiplication, we can make shorter it.
Yes.
Can we make shorter it?
Yes, if we can shorten it, we can do it. Or we can also convert it to the mixed fraction. If we can do it. Okay.
Yes.
Chatuki, have you understood better?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Abhishekta, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yashika, have you understood?
Yes.
Udit, have you understood better? Udit, is it clear to you? Udit, is it clear to you? Udit, are you there? Okay, now all of you can start doing the sum. If anyone wants to do on the screen, he or she can do it. But keep in mind, don't come in the white portion. If you all want to do it, you can do it on the black portion, not on the white portion. Everyone start doing number 1. I will come to everyone and ask you the answer. And also ask you to explain it.
Ma'am, this sheet I have done. So all the answers are with me.
This sheet you have done, Mita?
This whole sheet I have done
Okay,
before.
wait. Yashika, I'm changing the numbers for you. Wait. For Yashika, the first sum will be
Okay, ma'am. Wait. Ma'am, can I multiply 12 to 4?
no, you cannot multiply numerator and denominator. If it can be divided, you can divide 12 and 4.
Yes.
Have you understood? If you can divide 4 and 12, but you can only multiply 4 into 10 and 12 into 10. Is it clear, Ashmita?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Abhishekta, the first answer is correct. Okay. Avishikta, the second answer is. Which one is second according to you, Avishikta? Is 2 by 12 into 11 by 12 the second one, or 12 by 13 into 1 by 4 is the second one? Okay. Very good. It's correct, Avishikta. Number 2 is correct. Okay, let me come to everyone one by one. First is Amoto. Amoto, tell me what is the answer of number 1?
40 by 130.
No, 40 and 120 can be divided better. Divide it and find out the final answer.
No. 40 and 130.
130 is wrong. Do it
Ma'am, can I multiply in the screen?
on the left hand side. Here you can do it.
Okay,
Shatuki
ma'am.
is wrong.
Ma'am, is it correct?
Raj,
Number 1, is it correct?
Rajdeep, it's correct. Shatuki, it's wrong. Shatuki, what have you done? Beta, with 10 and 4, I have understood you have multiplied 10 and 4, which is equal to 40. And what about 12 and 10, Shatuki? It's a fraction. You just can't only multiply the numerator and send me the answer. Multiply 12 and 10, Shatuki.
Ma'am, ma'am, my answer is okay.
What is your name? Is it Shatuki?
Yes, ma'am.
Shatuki, your answer is wrong. I told you you have multiplied 4 into 10, which is equal to 40. But what about 12 and 10? Beta, if you multiply 12 and 10, what is the answer coming?
Ma'am, 130.
So see whether you can divide 40 and 120 with the same number. Find it out, beta. Okay, Rajdeep has told me the answer. Shatuki is doing. Udit, yes. Udit, tell me what is the answer of number 1, beta?
Ma'am, doing.
Okay, do it and then tell me. Yes, Ashmita, it's wrong, beta. It's not 3 by 1. If you cancel 4 and 12, then what is the answer coming? Where will the 3 sit, beta? It will not be in the numerator. Yes, Abhishekta, number 3 is correct. Yes. Ashmita, have you understood better? If you divide this 4 and 12, then 3 will sit where? In the numerator or in the denominator? Where? Find it out, Ashmita. Abhishekta,
Ma'am, in the denominator.
very good. In the denominator. So just inverse it round it or reverse it round. Make the, yes.
Ma'am, I can't do it.
What is your name? May I know it? Number 4 is correct, Abhishekta. Is
Ma'am,
it
I am Udit.
Udit? Okay. Udit, can you divide 10 and 10, beta?
Yes, ma'am. But this is, I can do the like 10 by 12 plus 4 by 10. But I can't.
Why plus? It is multiplication.
Ma'am, can I tell number 1?
Yes, tell me, Amarto.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I have said the answer.
Yes, Shatuki, you are correct. Very good. Shatuki, have you understood? Yes, Amarto, you are correct. Amarto, Shatuki, both of you are correct. Shatuki, have you understood better?
Yes, ma'am.
This time I am very serious. I am going to share this recording in the WhatsApp group. Make sure you all do the sums whichever you are doing in the class and share it in the WhatsApp so that I can understand whether you all have understood the sums properly or not. And it will be
Excuse
also
me,
like a revision to you all.
ma'am. I have found it easily.
Ashmita
The
is
answer,
correct. Yes, Udit, tell
ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is sending.
no,
Wait.
it's not 17, beta. Have you divided
No,
it?
no, ma'am. That number 2 is correct.
Wait, Rajdeep, wait. Udit, tell me.
Ma'am, please wait. Wait.
2 নাম্বার এটা সোজা আছে।
শর্ট করে নাম্বার পাঠিয়ে দাও, স্যার পাঠিয়ে দাও, তোমার ফোন এসেছিল।
Rajdeep, check
I
the
have
chat
sent it.
box, beta. Udit, number 1
by
is
12
correct.
11 by 12 12 আর নিচে চলে গেল 2 by 2 আর 11 প্লাস
পাঠিয়ে দাও, আনসার পাঠিয়ে দাও, কমপ্লিট করে পাঠিয়ে দাও।
Can I do number 2?
Yes, everyone who has finished number 1 can move on to number 2. Rajdeep, number 2
Ma'am.
is correct. Check the inbox, beta. Udit, number 1
Ma'am,
is correct. Excellent, beta. Yes,
Ma'am, this is number 2.
yes, Ashmita, tell me again.
Ma'am,
which is
this is number 2. Or this is number 2.
This is number 2. 2 by 12
Okay.
and 11 by 12 is number 2. Abhishekta, just a second, madam. I'm checking. Abhishekta, you are correct. Number 5 is correct. Shatuki, I'm checking. Just a second, madam. Shatuki, you are
Ma'am.
wrong, beta.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, your sound is not audible to me.
Udit, you are correct. Number 1 is correct, beta. Sorry, Shatuki, according to you, which is the number 2, beta? Whether this is number 2 or whether this is number 2? Whether 12 by 13 into 1 by 4 is number 2 or whether 2 by 12 into 11 by 12 is number 2?
Ma'am, number 3 is correct.
multiply by 11 by 12
Ma'am, number 3 is correct.
Wait, Rajdeep,
Excuse
wait,
me,
I'm checking.
Ma'am, can you meet all of them? I can't. The sound of one you can audible. It is not audible. So they are shouting. So one of them is not can hear.
Udit,
What you
number
said.
1 is correct, beta. Check your inbox, Udit. I'm sending it in chat.
But ma'am,
yeah,
Shatuki, number 2 is wrong, beta. Shatuki,
excuse me, ma'am. I can do number 2.
you can do or you cannot do.
I cannot do the number 2 numbers. 2 by 12, 11 by 12.
Yes, Ashmita, you are correct. Shatuki, you are wrong. Number 2 is wrong, Shatuki.
No, one is correct. Ma'am, is it correct?
Rajdeep, wait, I'm checking. No, Rajdeep, even you are wrong.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wrong, Rajdeep. Rajdeep,
Ma'am.
number 3 is wrong. Yes, Udit, tell me. Okay, number 2.
I can do number 2.
Number 2, what you need to do, you need to divide 2
number 1, it is coming 77 by 60.
77 by 60. Just a minute.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, tell me.
the 2 by 12 is 6. 22 to 8 to 15 is 16.
Yes, if it is 6, then
So I have given you the answer of number 2. Is it correct?
wait, I'm checking. Now, Udit, tell me, can you multiply? Sorry, 1
Ma'am, is it
into 11?
correct? Number 13.
Wait, I'm checking. Udit, tell me, can you multiply 1 and 11?
No, ma'am, number
Udit, can you multiply 1 and 11?
1 and 11.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
It is
Shika,
11.
can you tell me your answer again?
ma'am, is
Ma'am,
number 2
that-
correct?
77 by 60.
That can be converted into a mixed fraction. Do it, Yashika.
Ma'am,
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 the
Ma'am,
number
I
of
divide
number
77
correct?
and 60
ma'am,
with any
answer of
number.
number 3.
Ma'am,
Just a second.
number
Only
2 is
Yashika,
correct now.
wait. Only Yashika will tell me. Yes, Yashika, tell me.
Ma'am, I cannot divide 77 and 60 with only one number.
No, you don't have to divide it with only one number. Divide 77 with 60 better. Divide 60 and 77.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next, Udit, tell me, can you multiply 1 and 11?
That answer is that one.
6 by 11. No, it's wrong. Udit, it's wrong, and even Shatoki, it's wrong. Look, for both of you,
Why?
I'm doing it here. Wait. Both
Ma'am, is number
Shatoki,
2 correct?
Amoto, it's wrong.
Ma'am, number 3, 4, 5. Is it correct?
Wait, Rajdeep, wait, I'm checking. Amoto, Udit, and Shatoki, look here. And all of you who have done number 2 and I haven't checked your answer, all of you look here. See, 2 by 12. If you divide 2 and 12, what is the answer coming? Only Shatoki will tell me. Shatoki, tell me if you divide 2 and 12. Shatoki, are you there? Can you tell me? Yes, very good.
6.
It's 6. Now, 11 into 1 is how much? Raj? Amoto, tell me 11 into 1 is?
11.
11.
Ma'am.
Very good. Now,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, I am Udit.
Yes, Udit, tell me 12 into 6 will be?
No, ma'am. My number 1 is correct.
I am telling you.
Yes, Udit's number
Ma'am.
1 is correct. Wait, 12 into 6, only Udit will tell me. Udit, tell me 12 into 6. Udit, can you tell me 12 into 6?
2.
No. 12 into 6 is how much?
12.
12 into 6. Can you multiply 12 and 6, beta? Okay, Shatoki, can you multiply 12 and 6?
Ma'am, I can multiply 12 and 6. I can multiply 12 and
Very
6.
good, Udit. It's 72.
72.
Excellent. So the answer is 11 by 72. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
72. is 11 and 72. Ma'am, why it is 12 by 6? Why? Ma'am, why it is
Because
Ma'am,
you have
1 is
divided.
17 by 60.
Wait, Yashika, I'm coming back to you. Wait. You have divided.
Ma'am, I have sent all the answer. Please check.
Avishikta, wait, I'm checking. Because you have divided 2 and 12 and the answer is 6. So you have to multiply both the denominators. So 6 into 12 and 11 into 1 is 11. Is it clear, Udit?
Yes, ma'am.
Amoto, is
So,
it clear? Number
ma'am,
2.
excuse me. What have clear? Ma'am,
Yes, Udit.
ma'am,
me.
ma'am, I have not clear.
What is your name? Is it Shatoki?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Udit, is it not clear to you also?
No, ma'am, the answer of the two number is numerator 11. The answer of denominator is what? 72.
Yes. Is it clear, Udit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Shatoki, you tell me. See, can you divide 2 and 12, Shatoki?
Ma'am, please tell me again.
Can you divide the numerator and denominator, that is 2 and 12?
2 আর 12 কে ডিভাইড করতে পারছো?
Wait,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
seeing you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
কেন করছে ও সেটাই বুঝতে পারছি।
Just a
Ma'am,
second.
I can't.
ওই যে
Ma'am, I
ডিভিশনটা
can't.
করছে।
Okay, Udit, just a second, beta. I'm coming back to you. Shatoki, can you tell me, beta, can you divide 2 and 12, the numerator and the denominator? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you can divide 2 and 12, what is the answer coming, beta?
What by what?
No, if you divide
ডিভাইড করলে কত
2
হবে?
into how much is 12, beta? Be confident, Shatoki. There is nothing to get fear of. It's very easy. Just tell me 2 into how much is 12. Very good. Excellent. That's like my boy. Now 1 by 6. Now what you need to do, you need to multiply both the numerator and you need to multiply both the denominator. Is it clear up to this point, Shatoki? Great. Now tell me. Okay, Udit.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Udit, you tell me. Can you divide 2 and 12? Udit, come closer to the device. You are not audible. Whichever device you are attending your class from, come closer to that device. You are not audible, Udit.
Ma'am,
Yes,
excuse me, ma'am. Now you can clear.
yes, I can hear you clearly. Now tell me, Udit, can you divide 2 and 12?
No, ma'am. That I am not asking. My question is that I can't do number 3. How can I do?
You can do number 3. Just multiply both the numerator and multiply both the denominator. Simple. Okay. Now, Shatoki, tell me better. 11 into 1 is how much?
Both the numerator. Ma'am,
Yes.
both the numerator means there is 12 by 13 multiply 1 by 4. So the numerator means 12 by 1 I will multiply.
Yes, you have to multiply 12 and 1 and write in the
It's
numerator.
12.
Yes, only 12 and 1. And then you have to multiply 13 and 4. But before that, see whether you can divide both the denominator. Whether you can divide 12 and 13 or you can divide 12 by 4. First find out that, then do the multiplication better. Okay,
Ma'am,
yes.
what again?
First, you need to find out whether you can divide both the numerator and the denominator. That is whether you can divide 12 and 13 or you can divide 12 and 4. And then you do the multiplication.
Ma'am, like there is 12 by 13 multiplied 1 by 4. The divide is 12 by 4. I will divide. 12
Yes.
and 4 I will divide.
Yes, divide it. Yes. Shatuki, can you tell me 11 into 1 is how much, beta? Shatuki, are you there?
So it is. Ma'am,
Just
excuse
a
me, ma'am.
second. Udit, just a second, beta. I'm coming back to you. Wait. Shatuki,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
there? Tell
Yes,
me
ma'am.
11 into 1 is how much?
Ma'am, can I
Seven.
read
No,
my
no,
notebook?
Amoto, don't tell me anything. Just a second. Let Shatuki understand this first. Tell me, Shatuki, 11 into 1 is how much?
11.
11. Very good. Now tell me 6 into 12 is how much?
We'll fix that protocol. 72.
72. Excellent. Now is it clear to you, Shatuki?
Is it answer? Is it answer? Is it answer? Is it the answer?
Yes, better. This is the final answer. Is it clear to you, Shatuki?
Why should we divide? Well, why should we divide?
We should divide because 2 and 12 can be divided better. If you multiply this, the number will be a very large number. Then you have to, after doing the multiplication, then you have to find out whether you can divide it or not. During multiplication,
divide করা যায় তাই এক্সকিউজ মি ম্যাম
yes.
অ্যাকচুয়ালি মানে এই যে 2 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করা যাচ্ছে বা 4 দিয়ে ডিভাইড করা যাচ্ছে এটাকে সার্থকী একবারে আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড করতে পারছে না মানে বুঝতে পারছে না যে ওকে বললেও বুঝতে পারছে না যে 2 মানে 2 দিয়ে এটা যাবে কিনা বা 4 দিয়ে যাবে কিনা এটা কি মানে কোনো টেকনিক আছে যেটাকে ও অ্যাবজর্ব করতে পারে যেটার মধ্যে দিয়ে ও বুঝতে পারে যে এটাকে কাটা যাবে?
Yes, there is a very shortcut technique of doing this. Whenever you see at the end there is a 2 or any even number which is divisible by 2, that number can be divided by 2. If a number, for example, Shatuki, I am telling you, here it is 12. This is a even number. Why? Because the last digit, see the last digit 2 can be divided by 2. So whenever you see 2, you will understand, yes, this number can be divided by 2. If it is not an even number, for example, say it is a odd number. I am saying the number is 49. Then what will you do? First you will add 4 and 9. That is, if there is any odd number which cannot be divided by 2, first add those two digits. For example, if there was 4 and 9, we will add 4 and 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So we will see whether 13 can be divided by 3. If it is divisible by 3, then we will divide it by 3, or else we will try other numbers like whether 49 can be divided by 7. There is only one number, 7. Apart from 3, we have 7, which is an odd number. So 49 can either be divided by 7 or not. You have to find out in this way. Is it clear, Shatuki?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
ম্যাম অ্যাকচুয়ালি অড এন্ড ইভেন্টটা সার্থকী ভালো করে মানে জানে না অ্যাকচুয়ালি ওদের সিলেবাসে এটা ছিল না আগের বার তো ক্লাস স্ট্যান্ডার্ড 3 তে ওরা অড ইভেন্ট শেখেনি ওই কারণেই বোধহয় ওর একটু ডিফিকাল্টিজ হচ্ছে
Okay, not an issue, Shatuki. Do one thing. There is a very easy way to do this sum. Just simply multiply. You don't have to divide, just multiply. And at the end of the sum, for example, when you finish the sum, so here it will be 11 into 2 is 22, 12 into 12 is 144. When you finish the sum, that is 22 by 144 is coming. Then you have to find out whether that 22 and 144 can be divided by a common number. Just remember one thing, Shatuki. A number that is divisible by 2 is called an even number. A number which cannot be divisible by 2 is called an odd number. And there is only these 3 shortcuts in which the odd numbers is divisible. We will do one thing, Shatuki. We will do a class on odd and even next day. No, next day we are doing a class on 10. So the day after the next maths class, we will do a class on odd and even. Is it clear?
Ma'am, is it correct?
Rajdeep,
Ma'am,
I'm
I
checking.
did not tell my answer.
Shatuki, is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Yes, Yashika, tell me, beta.
Yes, ma'am. The answer was 1 whole 17 by 60.
Yes, you are correct. I told you, right? 1 whole 17 by 60 is correct. Yashika.
Ma'am, please check my answer.
Yes, beta, I'm checking. Just a second. Udit, have you understood number 3, beta? These sums are only for Yashika. The other people, you all don't have to do the sums.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Udit, have you understood number 3?
Ma'am, I have sent it 1, 2, 3, 4 in the chat.
Okay, I'm checking, beta.
Ma'am, is 5 is odd number?
Yes, 5 is an odd number because it cannot be divided by 2. Any number which cannot be divided by 2 is an odd number. And any number which can be divided by 2 is an even number. It's very simple. Odd and even are very simple, beta. Okay, Ashmita, 12 by 52 is the answer of which question, beta?
Ma'am, number 3.
Can I
Wait a
tell number
second.
3?
Wait, Omoto, you have written 2 by 7. Okay, this was number 2. This was wrong.
I have
Omoto,
written
do
the
one thing.
answer
Send
of
me
number
the answer
3.
in the chat.
No.
Avishikta, number 6 is which one?
Ma'am, this question also no division.
Okay, do it. Yashika, I will check it and tell in. Avishikta, number 6 is correct.
Ma'am, I have sent the answer of number 3.
Rajdeep, number 3 is correct. What is your name? Is it Shatuki?
Ma'am, number 8 is correct.
Just a second, Rajdeep. Wait, I have Rajdeep. I have checked number 3. It is correct. Yes,
Ma'am,
Avishikta.
I have done
5, 6,
all the
7, 8. Is it correct?
Just a second, beta. I haven't checked it. Avishikta,
Ma'am.
number 7 is wrong. Avishikta, number 7 is wrong.
Ma'am, is number 3 correct?
Just a second, beta. I'm telling you.
Ma'am, this sum
Yes.
also no division.
Okay, do it, beta. Yashika, I will check it at the end. Avishikta, number 8 is correct, but number 7 is wrong, Avishikta. Ashmita, 12 by 52 is the answer of which question, beta?
Ma'am, number 3.
Number 3. No, 12 by 52 can be divided by a number. Check it, Ashmita. Omoto, number 3 is wrong, beta.
Why, ma'am?
Omoto, check number 3. Number 3 is wrong. Check whether the denominator and numerator can be divided, Omoto.
Ma'am, I have divided it.
But it is wrong. If you divide 4 and 12,
Please clear it.
Wait,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Udit, just a second, Mita. Omoto, can you tell me if you divide 4 and 12, what is the answer coming? Udit's number 4 is correct.
No, ma'am, that I am not asking. The 1, 2, 3, 4, it is correct.
Wait, I am checking better. Rajdeep, number 8 is correct. Udit's number 3 is correct. Udit's number Number 2 is correct, Udit.
Ma'am, why it is wrong? Please clear it.
Which one did I told you are wrong? I think 7, right?
Yes.
And can you divide 3 and 6? Abhishekta, see whether you can divide 3 and 6.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, 2, 3, 4 are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, I told you it's correct. 4, I think I told you it's correct. Rajdeep, number 6 is correct.
Thank you, ma'am. I can divide by 3.
So divide it 3 and 6.
Equal to 1 by 2. Ma'am,
1 by 2. Wait, almost wait. 1 by 2. Now 1 into 1 is how much, Abhishekta?
1.
And 2 into 2 is?
Ma'am, please repeat.
2 into 2 is? Abhishekta, 2 into 2 is?
4, 4.
Very good. Rajdeep, number 7 is correct. Yes, almost tell me.
The answer of number 3 is... Ma'am, the number 10 is 1 by 7.
Number which one?
10. Ma'am, you can see the answer is 1 by 4. I am right.
1 by 4. You have written 1 by 4. Then you are correct, beta.
Ma'am, number 10 is correct. 1 by 7. Ma'am, I have written 1 by 4. Please check. Number 12 is correct. It means 1 by 7.
Wait. Number 12. Yes, it's 1 by